How to remove background using AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily remove background from any image using different AI tools. So the first thing you want to do here is open up your web browser, and on the search bar, you can just simply search for background remover or just search for BG remover. Hit enter and you can find this remove.bg right over here. Click on this link, and this is the most trusted website over here. And you can log in or sign up, or what you can do is directly upload an image or drop a file on this section. So I'll just go ahead and upload a image file, and then I'll just select the image over here. Now it will automatically uh, remove the background using AI. So let's just wait for a bit. And as you can see here, the magic background has removed the entire background from this. Now you can also create a cutout from here. So if you click on cutout here, you can select the brush size. So if there is anything messed up, you can manually manage it to remove the background. So in some cases, there might be some parts between the hairs or some small parts like that. You can use this to remove it. Now you can select an image as a background as well. And you can also upload a photo from your gallery. You can also add different colors to the background. Now what I can do is just go over here to see what it was like before and hold on to it. So it will show you the before and then after. Finally, you can click on this download button to install the picture. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.